I'm on my period. I took an anxiety pill.
Dude,
I'm drunk. I'm full.
Oh my.
I ate a pickle. Leave me alone. Hey, you breaking my fingers.
I'm gonna get in. I'll break it off. Get in. Get in your taser.
I'm in the car.
Get in the car. You're gonna get better.
I'm in. Ow! He's taser. I can't get up. Stop! I can't get up. I just got hit by a truck.
Alright, are you ready to go?
I need a police report.
For what?
Did you talk to him?
Yep, he said that they told you to leave and you gotta leave.
Police report and ambulance and firefighter.
For what?
Can you talk to him?
For what?
I don't have none of this.
Okay, you can leave.
PTSD. I'm already.
What the fuck is this fit? What is this? She looked like she found all her clothes from the lost and found. This that lost and found drip.
Door. They can't even get in the door. The window is broke.
Or you go to jail.
I don't care.
Ah, you're going to jail.
Call women. Come pick me up. Check my blood pressure. You can't touch me. You're not a woman. You touch me. Yes, man. Call your mother.
How many times have I already told you to leave? They told you to leave too.
I just gave them my key. Call your mom. Please.
Are you gonna leave? Alright, you're under arrest.
I'm already out the door.
Doesn't matter, you're still on the property.
Desmond, come get my shit.
Stop.
I don't care about none of this. Give me my money.
Unlock them.
I don't care. Look what? Stay hands. Police report.
This is what happens at your local motel, everyone. This is why people stay away from motels. This shit is ghetto out here. These bitches are on crack. No, I'm good. I'm sticking with the hotels. These motels are nuts.
Yeah, now you get one. You going?
Yeah, I know. I don't give a I don't care. Do you think I fucking care?
Feel about this.
Do you think I care? Do you? Mr. Kapowski?
Walk.
Do you? You walk. How about carry me? How about carry me? How about carry me?
She's already got it.
Resist what? Resist what? Resist what? I'm walking. Don't you see me fucking walking? Don't you see me walking? I'm walking.
We also hear you yelling.
Let me jump off the cliff. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. On my soul. Sweet.
soul.
Nah, bro. Where my shoe at, bro? You stepping on my toes, bro. Give me my shoe. Stop playing with me, bro. Stop touching me. Get my shit. Get my shoe. I'm suing y'all. I don't give a f. Yeah, you don't care everything. Stop. Call your Call your
Oh my God.
Put that property in it.
Yeah.
Don't give a
These cops, they're so calm.
Yup. Yup. I just bought that.
Cool.
Cool what? What you locking me up for? Cool what? Cool what? Do it and I'll die right here. I got a heart problem.
She fucking athletic, dog. Holy shit.
Sit in the car. Try it one more time. Let's sit in the car.
No! What are you arresting me for? No! 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 Tasing me! They could have tased me!
You want to sit in the car?
Hell no! I can't breathe! I can't breathe!
Okay, we'll sit you in the wagon.
I said ambulance and firefighter!
What's your name?
Tierra!
Thank you. I can't believe you.
1129! Oh! 1992! Oh my kid! I need a receipt!
No.
I paid at 8 o'clock!
Fucking goodness, man. Lay off the
Even come
drugs.
to the door. You think I'm gonna let a raver maintenance man climb through my window? No matter what color shirt he got on?
Gotta get off the
Climb through the
drugs.
window and I'm naked in a shower? Diarrhea?
What's your
What the hell are you talking about?
It's on the paperwork!
Okay, can you tell me?
I did it!
Can you tell me?
These gotta be the funniest cops.
Did you tell me your birthday?
11 Thanksgiving, 1992!
Thank you.
this shit. Peoria. I didn't want to be here. I asked them to come here and get help. A taxi, the firefighter, the ambulance, anything but here.
Well, you can go out to Maxwell Road.
I don't care, Max, for what? You smoking and weed, and you probably you give no my money.
Yeah.
Don't get no
Look, this guy just walked.
you too.
Yeah.
Blue lights, red lights. Who gives a
Yeah, instead of those DARE classes that we all went through as kids, they should just start playing body cam videos. This will scare any kid away from doing drugs. See, kids, this will happen if you start doing methamphetamine right here. This is crack cocaine. Oh, well, you still want to do drugs? Didn't think so.
anywhere but here. I'm not going in the truck.
You'll be doing it.
I know my rights. I don't give a receipt.
We'll see what happens when we go to the wagon. We don't even have her name. Well, we don't have the spelling of her name.
K-E capital A-I-R-A. Key error. Key to the error. Key error. Key.
Yo, is she Medea?
I'm Medea. Mud to the damn D-E-A. You understand that?
She been watching too much Tyler Perry.
Key error. A-I-R-A. The air you fucking breathe. The key to your air. You error. You empty.
Hey, all I'm breathing right now is your CO2.
I can't breathe.
Yes, you can.
I'm on my period.
I don't care.
I took an anxiety pill.
Yeah, she's
I'm
spitting.
drunk. I'm full.
Oh, my.
I ate a pickle. Leave me alone. And yes, I smoked some crack today.
Yeah, see, yeah, there it is. You talk about all this other shit. Look, you talking about pickles. You talking about some food, anxiety pills. Ain't nobody worried about that.
And yes, I smoked some crack today.
Right. That's the problem right there.
Leave me the fuck alone. I smoke weed too.
If you get in the car with me, you can.
I don't want to
It's
get
not
in
the weed.
car. Hell no.
Well, then we're gonna stay in this
It's not the weed.
Call the ambulance. They hurting me. I just got hit by a truck. She got a warrant for her arrest. 71st, I just got hit by a truck. They're hurting me.
She said, keep what? How do you spell your name again? K-I-K.
They have the receipt. It's in my name.
K-E-A-I-R.
Hey.
A.
Yes, sir. Thanksgiving at 11:09 p.m. Still that too. Force. Middle name J-A-D-E. Call the ambulance. And 5, I need to I'm gonna let you climb through the window. And you broke the window inside. So I could bleed. I just got cut.
Right.
I'm bleeding.
Right.
You put the window on me and it broke.
Exactly.
Call the police. Call the firefighters. You think I'm
Call the
gonna let some
police.
drunk ass, high ass Mexican climb through a fucking window and I was just on a shower and I took NyQuil and I'm out of weed. You got me fucked up, climb through the window and I'm wet.
You just said
I
you
just
smoked
got
some
my
weed today.
You got me fucked up. Refund. Receipt. Thought she could buy me Taco Bell. My fiance Taco Bell.
Taco Bell's fire.
Hey, be cool. Is you cool? I got food, snacks, lifesavers, gummy bears,
Right.
high chews.
High chews are fire.
Foot pretzels,
High chews are good.
popcorn, okey doke ass, hot cheese ass. I'm not your slut, none of that. Climb through the window.
Damn, bro. Man, she got me hungry now. Now I'm thinking about candy and shit. I'm thinking about Skittles, Mike and Ike's. I want all that shit now.
Got the glass on the inside. It's not bulletproof. It's you drinking. You can't even use the key to unlock the door. Why you think I'm in saying, baby? Opening the door, not even locking it. We have 2 keys. You got an extra 20 for putting me on the room.
Okay. Can you spell your first name again for me? Please.
Don't ask me.
You felt it.
Well, I can't understand you because you're yelling. Can you?
Quit looking at me. Look at him. He's asking me.
You felt it.
K-E-A-I-R-A.
Is that
right?
correct? Do you know how to spell your name? Do you know how to spell your name?
You're gonna get into a charge if you don't give me a name. Okay?
I need to be able to find your name. I can't find your name right now.
Get a fucking pen and a pad down and write it. 11/27 Thanksgiving, 1992. That's what he asked for. I am crying. I am cold. There is a slushy in my. I am not.
Did she just say there's a slushy in her pussy? Wow. Yo, damn, your shit tasting fire. Your shit tasting, yo, oh, that shit tastes sweet as hell. Next dude that goes down on you, which I don't know why he would ever do that. That sounds like a disease waiting to happen. But the next dude that goes down on you is gonna be like, this shit tastes good, baby. You got one of those slushy pussies. That shit fire. How'd you know? That's my favorite.
Hey, sober as shit. Blood pressure up. Hydroxyzine. Medicine. Real prescription pills. Weed. Cake. Black and mouth. Cigarettes. Wine. Fireball. Whiskey. Did I say slushy? Coffee. Energy drinks. Food. Lots of food. Chicken. French fries. Beef. Nachos. Cheese. Whole lot of cheese. Shredded. Cheddar. Milk.
There's people in the back laughing. Bro, I can't even lie. She got me hungry as a motherfucker in this room, man. I haven't eaten since 11. And it's like damn near 6.
Melted cheese. Blue cheese.
Right. Talk to me.
No.
Why?
Firefighters, ambulance. Pass out, slip and fall. Crack my head. Break my neck. My hat just bought it. My wallet just bought it.
We're gonna get it.
My bail money just bought it. My bags just bought it. Police report receipt. What you tweaking, folks? You tweaking.
Come on.
They're tweaking.
Jesus! Allah! Lucifer! I'm setting boundaries. They don't hear me though.
There we go.
They don't hear me though.
Thank you.
Not going in these. Ambulance. Firefighter. Receipt. My name on this shit. A paddy wagon?
Yeah.
Get my receipt. Get my money. I'm bailing me out. I got $200 upstairs.
Is she worse than the other crackhead that we saw that one day? It was like a couple weeks ago. She may be worse. Right here.
Oh, you have the officer. You have the jury. You have the lieutenant moving. You can't, no, sir. Go stop that. Stop that. The lady opportunity. We did that. But we know where nothing was, baby. Hey, shit, what's real? But war for what? That was war for we have to take a donut. We have to
The donut! No. No one is worse than this one right here. No one. This is the craziest tweaker I've ever seen in my life. Yeah, this woman took a shit on the street in that video. Guys, if you haven't seen that video, you have to watch that shit. It deserves more views. What does it have? Oh my God, it's at 11K views. What the fuck? Dude, this video is hilarious.
Ass through the window, you better swear that Mexican ass. You gonna get deported. Glass through the window, drunk. Your family, I got kids. Glass through the window.
You're gonna get deported.
Glass through the window. Is you drunk? Is you slow?
Alright, watch your head.
Where's my receipt?
Watch your head.
What's my name? What am I charged for? Is you recording?
Yes.
Is you recording?
I already told you.
Angles? What the? Where the ambulance? I don't give a f if I right now and you crack my head and I just got hit my truck.
Getting a glove.
And I can't breathe. Just got hit my truck. I remember you said you was gonna tase me. Tase me. I wanna.
Come on.
Get in.
Hey, you breaking my finger.
You're gonna get in. I'll break it off. Get in. Get in your taste.
I'm in the car.
Sit in the car. You're gonna get tased.
I'm in. Ow!
Get in.
He
Get
tased
in
me.
the van.
I can't get up. Stop! I can't get up. I just got hit by a truck. My hands is behind my back.
Sit in there.
Is you slow? You tased me twice.
Holy shit. Oh my God.
Don't
We didn't beat her. Mind your fucking business if you want to talk like that.
The woman. What? Oh my God! What fucking black supremacist retard was? What did he say?
We didn't beat her. Mind your fucking business if you.
Shut your goofy ass up, bro. Can't stand people like that. Just be saying anything. They're automatically thinking the worst when they see a white cop and they see a black woman. You just heard her tweak out for fucking 16 minutes straight, and you're talking. I can't stand these people.